crew, please prepare for takeoff.
Ugh, I can't find anything in this mess. Where's my screwdriver? Where's my wrench? Why does this always happen? Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Transform your workspace with our innovative 3D printed tool holders. Designed to keep your tools organized and accessible, our products bring efficiency and style to your workshop. Crafted with durable, eco-friendly PLA material, every holder is built to last and integrates seamlessly with 3/4-inch French cleat systems, ensuring a secure and adaptable fit. From wrenches to pliers and everything in between, our tool holders are tailored to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a workspace that inspires productivity. Whether you're starting fresh or upgrading your setup, our tool holders are the perfect addition to any workshop. Elevate your workspace today and discover the difference our 3D printed solutions can make. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at frenchcleatsolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.